So hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the next episode. Yesterday, or in the previous video, we have seen this and this Guardian buy, and we have seen this Euro Hong Kong dollar buy and sell. Right? So you have seen me explain this one, that looks. You have seen me explain this sell down there. You have seen me explain this buy. Okay, so explain this cell down there targeting this TPs, TP2s, right there, this black box is TP2 right there. Selling opposite means targeting these ones, not only these ones. So after that, what happened? You can see, you can measure by using the bodies, TP1, TP2 is in the opposite. Okay, this pump really did the job of this one, okay. So this actually hit TP2 where? Exactly opposite TP1, TP2. Okay. Don't argue, you can't just go and uh, validate it yourself. Okay. So that's exactly what happened. If you want to check this out, it is Euro HKD on 19th June 2024. 19th June 2024. As this is the one. Okay. Then finally, I have told you to, okay, really, this one, I didn't show you this one, but suppose we had a black box, this one, to see, right? This body, and then this one, another, this the body. So both of them broke to downside, right? Down there, so TP1 and TP2, okay, TP3, right? TP4, right? Simple as that. And then I have shown you this one right here. And we had some kind of a buy. We had a buy here. This is a black box down there. So we pumped, then we pumped, and we pumped. So 25% I think for that one it is broken. So down the board up there. So we put it like this. Seems like we need some more run, but if it had pumped a little bit more, I would have entered, but as you can see, this is not convincing. This is not convincing at all. Right? So we gotta wait. Patience. Patience is very, very important. Patience is very, very important. So I've already showed you TP1 of this one and TP2 should be up zero because we already broke the upside. But with the two candles, not the three candles. The three candles didn't break nothing, as you can see. There a little bit, there is no break. So what happened next is crazy. So once the price comes back down there and touches the silver zone or the two candles right there, I would enter it by once I see a bullish candle of a week. I will enter it by. So stop loss still down there. That's my entry. The risk. This is my. This is a risk. This is what. This is reward. Okay. So I would have bought that one because just because the criteria are met. But so since we are moving down, we couldn't move up. So we pumped a little bit, but we couldn't continue moving up because one, this is we are actually inside the black box. We didn't break the upside. Okay, I'm entering this buy based off of these two candles, not this one. So anyways, we would have lost this one. Stop loss and entry this much, and then this one we have to see around. It has to run. Okay. It has to move. Right? It has to move. So there is no buy. There is no buy. Just like here. Just like here. Right there on the red candle, I would not say. Only I would say as a bearish candle. I mean the bullish candle, the green candle. This one. Why? Because it traded lower than the previous candle. Okay. Okay. The same thing here. I would not buy that one. We have to see a little more movement. We have to see move. We have to see break 2.5%. Even if you see the grid didn't hasn't been touched yet. As you can see, it has to move up halfway, at least halfway of the upper grid in the lower. So this is not our interest. And then finally, the market made another black box object. So guys, that's a huge breakdown. So that's a sale. That is a sale. That the thing is stupid. Right there, as you can see. TP1, what happened? This thing pumped up. I mean TP2. So TP2 is very important. That's why we take partials. And then what happened? So if we are selling up here, we are keeping in mind that this black box is TP2 too. Okay? Even of course after the break of this down there, we already know that we are moving down. We have this TP still loading. So down there, I am aiming down there when I say that. Okay, beautiful. That's amazing. So that's exactly what you have seen earlier on the previous episode. So today we will see this dollar shape trade that I took this dollar shape trade in 1 hour time frame. So let's start from up there. So do you see any black box? Yes, where? 1, 2, 3. Set. Stop loss. I know it is a little bit risky. So I told you you already have two choices. One is to use the 1/4 of what you would normally enter. If you would normally enter one lot, you would enter now 0.25, 0.25 lots, as I say. So close up. Okay. And crazy thing happened here. As you can see, when you measure the black box from up there to down there, because that thing finished the trading the certificate, so we got TP1. TP2 is down there. It is not hit. It is not hit. Okay. So what does that mean? So now we have a high probability that we will be dumping down to TP2, as you can see. But unfortunately, it changed direction up there. Up there. What does that mean? Now our TP2 is aiming. Now our TP2 is found up there. So when we buy down there, we are aiming actually up there. Alright? That is where the price will gravitate when we buy. When we sell up there, right there, we are actually aiming down there. Okay, this. Alright, beautiful. So that's just it. You sell that thing. And the next thing what happened is another black box found here. Maybe this one too. So when you measure this the body, 50% is what? Right around. Did it hit 63.6? I really don't think so. So this is not a black box. Then we found another one. 1, 2, 3. Did we break? No. A little bit down. There is no break. Then we found another one there. Did we break? No. And we found another one there. Did we break? No, not yet. If you measure from the body, to the body. This is half. Wait, did it hit 63.6% upside? I don't think so. Look, I don't think so. What does that mean? That's not a black box. We gotta wait. So 1, 2, 3. That's a black box, right? That's full bodied, overlapped on each other. So what does that mean? That up there is a buy, my friend. That up there is a buy. Stop loss still down there. Okay. Alright. A buy. This is the body. TP1, TP2 is up there. Okay. This grid is TP240. What about? Then that thing came down without hitting TP2 of this part. What does that mean? I'm gonna buy that shit. Alright. Since my stop loss is down there, my entry up there, it is in the golden zone even. It is below the black box. That's good. That's a discount area. It really came one more time, another buy. I told you to buy 2 times or to sell 2 times because of the double top. We are moving down. Double bottom. If we are moving down. Right here, what you are seeing, here is a triple bottom on chart. This is a triple bottom. So finally, it delivered. Right? So once price comes here, I'm not gonna buy it. No, thank you. That's enough. These 2 buys are enough. Targeting up there. These 2 buys are enough. I can't enter another trade. That's risky. No, these things don't happen that often. I'm telling you, just take my word for it and go and open your trading view or make a trader and pull it. Almost always there is a double top or double bottom. That's why we are selling 2 times and no more. That's why we are buying 2 times and no more. Okay. So using that scenario as a buy, stop loss still down there, another buy, another buy. That's it. Targeting the Bitcoin. That's it. But before that, we found another one, 2, 3. Did it break? No. That is a little bit. That's a hand. That's a hand, not a move. That's not the real move. That is not the real move. The real move will show a huge candle, or at least a weak, showing in that direction. That red line has to be broken, but for this black box, the red line is found up there, so nothing, it is not touched. And after that, then what this? What is that? That's a sale. Based off of this black box's height, the 2.5% shrinks. It shrinks, okay? It gets smaller when the black box's height decreases. Okay? So it's down there, stop loss down there. I mean, entry down there, stop loss up there. That's a sale. That is a sale. Okay? This is 3 candles. So when you measure your TP, most likely TP to hit, take your 30% and wait. If TP3 is not hit, wait. So you measure these bodies, TP1 and TP2. Okay, let me zoom in. TP1, TP2, and TP3 is it. For sure, TP3 is it, right? Exactly. So you trail yourself at break even and you take yourself there and there, 30%, 30% off. Okay. Late is a 40% plus in there. So now what happened? We found another black box. Did we break down there? No, we didn't. What was it? We broke. That is exactly where I bought. That is where I bought. So let's say buy up there, stop loss still down there. At least 1 to 1 target. At most 1 to 3 up there. Okay. So that's exactly what happened. Our buy here, our buy here, our buy here, our buy up there. Everything now, look. Wow. It's a freaking news, bro. It could be some kind of freaking news. And I have a theory. The news is just a cover. The algorithm is doing its thing. The news is a cover. I think what they are doing it is just a cover. The algorithm is doing its thing. Here, I told you that it must be up there, right? So if TP2 is up there, by using these candles, we cannot reach TP2 in time. What should we do? We should pump it. With only one single candle, we can traverse a long distance, huge peak, and reach TP2 easily. As you can see, they got near and traded down. You can see it for yourself. Traded down at least there and pump it up. Hit that TP2. Simple. It's simple. They blame it on the news, but it is price action. It is algorithm doing this shit, bro. And it is a wild theory, but you can't believe what you want. This is exactly dollar sheet. So that's it. So let's go to the next one. Almost 16 minutes on. Let me first turn on the machine here because I am still at work. As you can see. It is what it is, brother. So before we build some kind of rock solid foundation, I can't leave the job, bro. I can't leave. So, anyways, so what exactly is this? This is Hong Kong 50. Let's take a 50 this is an index like US 30. It measures the Hong Kong, I don't know, stock or the economy. I don't know, man. I don't know. It is an index. Indices measure some kind of big companies, the collective companies, general well-being, how they are doing. Okay, so that's it. So what is this? So this right here, I snapshot this to show you the sort of model. Okay, so we broke the downside. This is a black. Okay, but in the two candles black box, it is very specific. How so? I might say. So here is a black box. Why am I doing that? Because before that we had no black box. This is not a black box. This is not it. This is not it. This right here is not it. It's halfway. We don't want that. Then there we started now. And there we dumped before pumping up. We dumped before pumping. What is exactly opposite? Exactly opposite is a buy, my friend. Opposite is a buy. Stop loss down there. Okay? As you can see, at least 1 to 1.5 has been targeted and hit. 1 to 1.5. Okay, 1 to 1.5. Exactly. Then what happened here? Then we started breaking down. We pumped. You already know we took partials and you already know we took our stop loss at break-even. Okay. Then what is now? What is going on? What is gonna happen now? So finally it will hit your stop loss and it will get out of the trade without a loss. And then this thing dumped. Are you gonna buy? I mean sell that thing? No. Why? It is because TP2 is hit for this one, TP1 and TP2, even TP3, even TP4. So I'm not going to involve myself with this sale. I only sell if there is a black box that didn't hit TP2 and is still loading. Okay. If there is a previous black box, I would only sell if the price comes up. Stop loss put, entry, target. Do you see what I'm doing? So unfortunately, I don't see any black box here before me that didn't and that that is inefficient, or TP2 is not hit for a black box that didn't hit TP2, I don't see nothing. And next thing, this thing didn't trade up, so I'm not gonna enter it. I say so. Next, what do we have? We have Nasdaq. We have Nasdaq. So what do we see? Do you see black box? Yes. Well, right here. 2, 3. Did we break? No, we didn't break. What about down up there? Did we break? Yes. Okay. That's a black box. Let me put this man up there. That's a black box. That's a buy. Stop loss. At this target 1 to 1. Look, I'm not telling you to do 1 to 1. I'm showing you that at least the price will move 1 to 1. It's a must. At least it has to hit TP2. It is a must. So based on this bodies, can use a body TP2, TP1, TP2. So you can see you can take partial there. After that, after the third candle closes trading, measure your your new TP2 is up there. Your new TP2 is found up there, right there. So you take partial there too. You wait for TP3 is up there, and you take partial there too. And you do what? You trade your stop where? To your entry up there. Now you do partials TP3 up there, right? Did the price come back? Did the price come back here to your entry after TP3? No, it didn't. It didn't. So that's why placing your stop, your placing your stop loss at breaking after TP3 has been hit has a logic, it has a reason, it is backed up, it is proven. I proved this shit. So proven. You can find out for yourself. Okay, find out for yourself. It's easy. It's easy. Just go to the just chart and find out. Simple as that. Then what happened? We found out the black box. Did we break? No. We tried, but we didn't. Another pump? No, not yet. Then down there, by doing this, we found another black box. Did we break? No. We tried, but we didn't. Down there, did we break? Yes. Am I gonna say that? No. No. Why? It is it is a risk. Suppose entry. Look, that's a risk. So what am I gonna do now? I have to wait for what? For a retest. Or I can enter with non false. Okay, because it's less probable. It is a less probable and high risk entry. It is better to repray, to not trade this one. If you want to trade it, you have to wait for a retest. Simple. Okay, it's simple. So what happened? For example, so retest happened. You measure your TP1. TP2 is down there, it's not hit. What does that mean? I'm saying it up. Price did come up. Price did come up there. As you can see. Right? So that's a sell. And stop loss up there. And the target is down here. This is TP2 of this. TP1 and TP2. Target is down here. That's the sell. Boom, it delivered. That's a huge movement. That's the Nasdaq we are talking about. It is not $0. And it is 1 hour time. It is not 1 minute. That is a whole lot different. So, sell exactly right at what you do. It really also do like you can really stop to break. Okay. That's a reason. And then we take partial. 30% off. 30% off. That's exactly what we will do. It is the same thing over and over again. I'm not wanting to repeat it. Okay. So let me go versus 1, 2, 3, another black box. I say buy. Stop loss down there. Boom. Delivery. That's beautiful. We had a buy up there too. Still bang. Okay, still bang. So that's good. Next thing, another ugly price action. Let me tell you something. Other strategies will never trade this one. Maybe the supply and demand zone might trade this sell it and then sell this when it comes up will sell this, but the other strategies like smart money or something else, I'm telling you, you will not enter this trade. Black box can. The black box can enter and obliterate everything. Look at this. Look at this. Do you have black box up here? No, that's not a black box. What about this? It is. It is a black box. This, and this is a black. What does that mean? It means I'm gonna use TP1, TP2 is up there. Alright. TP1 and TP2 is up there, still intact. It will move up. I'm telling you, bro. I am telling you. And if TP2 is up there, if TP2 is up there, what should I do? I have to wait. I have to wait for a price to retest where exactly right there. That's where I'm interested in. This area is where I'm interested in. This is where black box is found. This is the silver zone. You got me? Okay? You got me? That's the silver zone. Right there, if the price comes down there, I will buy. Otherwise, there is no entry. Why? Because it is risky, bro. Look, entering up and stop goes down, that's never going to happen. That's never gonna happen. So that's exactly what happened. Look. Then we can bring this money. Look what happened. Look. Just like I told you. What did the price do? It referred to this block. This area is important. High probability enters the silver zone. I told you that 70%. The price will come here. Look right there. Do you buy that? Do you buy that? Buy. Stop loss still down there. This is your risk. This is your reward. So I might enter a buy based off of so 1/4 rule. You have to risk 1/4 of your initial or your normal entry, 1/4. Based off of the 1/4 rule, I might enter a buy. Okay, because my profit is huge. That's why. And it really did what I wanted it to do. Okay. Then what happened? There's nothing. Nothing here. Nothing here. Or is there something happened? Then this one. Then this one. After what? There is no break or nothing. So I'm not gonna involve myself with this. I have already bought down there. I'm not entering any more trade. I have to wait for this one. Okay, simple. This is GJ by the way, it's GJ. The next it is EJ, Euro yen. The same thing. Look, the third model is crazy. It is crazy. So do you find me a black box? Do you see anything? Yes, here. Did we break? No. Then wait. What about up there? What is that? A sale, baby. Down there is a sale. Almost instantly, I know what the hell I'm looking for. Almost instantly, I know if that is the right one or not. Almost instantly, I know if it is a risky one. you will develop this kind of sense, this sense of correctness. If that is even a word. You will develop a sense of right, okay, being right, okay. Look, as I said, bro 2.5%, what are you waiting for, bro? Sell that shit. Sell that shit. The other thing is, look, you have a TP that needs to hit, look, okay. I have a TP for this one, still loading. What does that mean? Every block that I find afterwards takes in account of this TP2. Also for this one, for this black box too. Then this one is a cell. You measure the body, TP1, TP2. It's most likely that's why you are seeing this pump to the upside. But we have this TP2 loading down there. I can't sell that one. I can't sell it. I can't sell this one. Alright. So what do? I mark this shit just like I did this black box, this box, this rectangle that you are seeing is signifying this right here. Look at the reaction here. It is so crazy. So right there I say, why? This area is interesting. My stop loss is not bad. I will not hesitate about entering up there when I entered down there. I entered down there. What is the being? What is the point of being scared to enter up there? You entered down there. That's exactly what happened. Next thing is the next thing is just the price dumped and you found out but is that a sell? It is a sell, but what? It is risky. I should wait for TP2 and for retest. That's exactly what happened down there. 1% broken. Really? I mean, it needs a little bit pump. So, price there is a sell zone. As I said, that retest, this retest up there is what is a sell. For down the TP2, okay? Or TP2 down there. And then oh my god. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, bro. Oh my god, that's crazy. I talked too much and it was from for it was in vain, bro. It was in vain. That's crazy. So what I said is, so I would have showed this one. Said, do my stop loss at 2.5% this high, opposite. And then measure the TP2. Okay, that is gonna be TP1. TP2 right there as this candle. That's why it retests upside. TP2 is important. Then enter the trade at the retest. Why TP2 is not hit yet? So enter the retest upside. No problem. Retest, right? That's a sell. Targeting TP2. Sell after the price moves down there. Trade or stop to break even. Then take partials at TP2. For the retest, only trade your stop loss. For the real breakout, for the first model, you have to put your stop loss and don't touch nothing up until TP is released. Okay, take partials at TP for all of them, for the retest and for the real breakout. Then what happened? Then the next thing what happened is it retested. So now your retest is out of the game. Now you are out. Your retest is out. Okay. And then your real breakout is not out. Still loading. So it really got closer. But if the spread is not wide, you would be okay. It is okay. You will be okay. That's why we put our stop loss at safe haven, at safe place. That's why I discovered that 2.5% areas and 5% areas, those areas are safe. They are out of the battle area, the battleground, so you will not be caught by a flying gun. You will not get it. So as you can see, it really got closer. So what happened? This thing just melted. It's melted. It took the high, if you notice up there, and then down. So TP3 held down there, TP4 held down there. You take partials. At exactly TP3 put your stop loss at breaking. I'm telling you, you will regret if you don't do this. Then what happened? We found another black box here. Am I gonna enter this cell? Stop loss up there? Not really. No thank you. First thing, when you measure your body, the two candles, TP1 and TP2 was hit, so I'm not really interested. The third thing, we have this, right? Third thing, we have this, the third, including the third black box, right? I mean the third card. So second, based off all this, we see that TP2 is still up there. Okay, TP2 is still where? TP1, TP2, TP3. Look at TP3, what happened? Collapsed completely, almost halfway. Okay, then what happened, guys? Then what happened? Then this thing pumped. All I want from this one is to trade down. All I want for this price to do is to come down the trade around the golden zone. This area is a golden zone. So they really brought to the golden zone and they pumped here. Anyways, I am not interested in this. It is because TP2, TP1, TP2, TP3 has been hit. Not I. The only two things that I would have been interested was if TP2 or TP3 was not hit. So it really achieved everything, so there is no point in entering the result. I gotta wait for any block. Yes, like this one. This one. TP, since we broke the downside, so our TP would be with this downside. TP1, TP2. So most likely TP2 is this one, where this candle reversed. Price will not return without a reason. Rise there after hitting TP2. Look. So crazy. So crazy. So anyways, I will not iterate. If price comes up there, I would say it. Targeting TP3. Where down there? Rise here. I would sell it up there, stop loss up there. Okay. As my entry, sell. As my reward. Simple. But the price didn't do nothing, so I'm not doing nothing too. I won't do nothing. So another black box. This is another tip, still loading. This one is done. Then for this one, TP1. TP2 is still loading. Okay. TP2 is still loading. What does that mean? It means we are selling this shit. Where? Right exactly there. Why? It's because we already know that we are moving down. How? This candle, look. This candle broke. This candle broke. And resisted. What is that? That's a sale. When these kinds of things happen, I smile, bro. I smile. I laugh. Because you should. That's my stop loss. That is my entry, bro. And look, that's my risk. My profit. My reward is what? It is actually down here. It's actually down here. you guys actually pro, you are done for the month. For the month, trading for the month, you are done. You could make, I don't know, about 1 grand, at least. 1 grand, 2 grand, 2k, 3k, 5k, maybe. Maybe. That's a huge move. When you measure the TP2, that's a huge move. Look. TP3 even, that's a huge move. Entering after, look. That's crazy. Stop loss observe, look. That's your TP. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, that's exactly what happened. So inside this, we had a. Do you share that shit? Yes, maybe. Maybe I would say that shit. Why? It's because I have this, and I have this candles block or the previous TP3. Even if TP2 is hit down there, TP3 is still loading. So that cell is objective. It is just proven to be the right one. It could be the right one. It's highly probable. So selling down there would make a huge sense. Stop loss up there. It's a little bit risky, but it is highly rewarded. It is highly rewarded. So that's it. Then, since we have based on this, then we enter another setup. But for this black box, it is time. TP1, TP2, and TP0 this time for this black box. Okay. Then finally we need another two candles, then we have to wait for the third one. Okay. We have to wait for the third one. So this is it. Next time we will see Euro shape again. It is Euro shape again, so we will see Euro shape and we will hopefully finish this thing. As you can see, we have moved a lot. A little bit we will be finishing this. Okay. So I hope you found some points here and there, and I hope I found this helpful. So next time I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you very much.